Hey guys, it's Sarah. So today, as requested, I want to share with you the study plans I use with new students and the process, the way that I run a trial lesson, with the aim of appearing super professional, very persuasive to the student, but not using up a lot of time on planning or data or admin. Particularly because for a trial lesson, you don't really know if that student is going to book any classes. So you don't really want to spend all your week preparing for trial lessons. So that was kind of my aim. So this is the study plan that I mentioned in the group. And this is what I send to a student once a trial lesson has finished. I fill out this study plan during the trial lesson. Usually I type while I'm talking to them. And then I send it to them once the class has finished. It serves not only as a kind of professional document that looks nice and impressive, nice and personalized, but it also serves as a bit of a call to action. So you can see here, and I'll zoom in, on the first page, it's very personalized towards that student. What are your individual goals? This is an anonymized version, but it's very similar to a real one. What is your CEFRA level? Why are you studying English? What are your challenges at the moment? These are the kinds of questions I ask in the trial lesson, and as they answer, I type away. And on the second page, this is the study plan. This is my recommendation for them, what I think you should do. I think you should book 3 classes a week, for example, or 2 classes a week. I think they should be this long, 45 minutes, because I don't really like teaching 60-minute lessons and I prefer 45 minutes. I recommend 45 minutes. And this is the structure of the class we're going to be using after class, for example. All this information is here. Now, the first page I type up during the trial lesson, so that's quite quick and easy. And this page, it helps guide the conversation as well. It's kind of like a plan. Though I also have here, which I wanted to show you as well, this is the document I have open that I don't share with them, which helps guide me as well if I get a bit stuck. I have lots of questions, open-ended questions here to ask the student, as well as a couple of backup activities, optional activities, that maybe we'll use if the lesson is very long, or for example, if they book an hour trial lesson, or they don't want to try an activity. But the second page, which is the study plan, I don't type this. This is copied and pasted from a document I already have saved. So I have all of my different lesson types in here, and I can just copy and paste it into the study plan. Although I might edit it a little bit, this is it's like a set text. At the bottom of the document, I have links to 2 other read-only files that I send people. The first one is about self-study. So I have a lot of resources here that I've put together and recommendations from students and stuff for self-study, because I really want my students to study independently as well as doing our lessons and homework. And then I also have the attendance policy, which is basically the italki attendance policy copied and pasted. But this is very useful because I can then use this if there's any disagreements or non-attendance or no-shows in class. So I really like to have this. And because this is in there, the study plan serves not only as like, oh, this is what we're going to do, these are our objectives, but it's also kind of like a learning agreement between me and the student. So in the trial lesson, I explain to them that I want them to read it, add comments or questions, and if they are happy with the study plan, they can book classes. And that's quite important for me because I don't want students who don't agree or they don't like the style or any kind of confusion between me and the student. And having this, I think, is a very safe way to, first of all, encourage people to book a package, because I say to them, you know, here's the 10 package, here's the link, book it here. But also a chance to just make sure that they're committed, that they know that they won't achieve results without doing self-study and that there will be homework and stuff like that. I'm really quite flexible. If they don't want homework, I don't give it to them. But I like to have it agreed and put down here so that we're just all on the same page. Yeah, and that's it really. Yeah, any questions, let me know.